Hi, this is Urban Sweetheart Teresa. It's been a while since I made a video, so today is Sunday. I'm off from work. I said let me get a few videos in today while I can. Alright, I'm going to jump straight into it. I brought two of these wigs, which is by the Janet Collection Extended Part Lace Base Deep Part Wig. It's 100% premium fiber. The name of the unit is Gabriela, and I have it in two different colors. I have it in the Mocha Blonde, and I also have it in the Violet Blue. Now, I took the Violet Blue out of the box and tried it on one day, and I'm going to say I was very disappointed. Okay, this is the unit. It's looking bluer than violet, but the color is evenly distributed. You have, like I'm looking at it right now, I'm seeing more purple, violet purple, whichever you want to call it. But this is coming off really blue, and it's not. It's more purple. Let me see, I'm going to try to turn this ring light off and see if it will show up better. See, the bluishness is really purple. Alright, so let's look at the inside. You have two combs in the front. This is the parting space. Goes deep, really deep. And I'm going to put this light back on because I want you to be able to see what's inside the cap. This is the back. You have the comb in the back, adjustable straps. This is what it's looking like inside. Not really a fan, but it looks very big head friendly. Alright, let's try it on. Very purpley. I'm telling you, don't be deceived by my lighting. It's purple, not blue. And I couldn't find a light stocking cap, so I had to use what I had. I think it has a little bit of baby hairs. I think not. You can always cut you some into the unit. No, I don't think that's baby hairs. I think that's just hair that got caught in the comb. The combs in the front. All right. And I have it as a middle part. Like I said, this junk is looking blue as I don't know what on film, on camera. It's purple. Don't be deceived. It's purple. It's very purple. I was going to wear it today with my little print shirt, but I just don't like how this looks. Maybe if you wet it and got the wave pattern going a little bit better, it would look better, but this is like almost how it came out of the package. It was like the curl, the wave pattern was already like fluffy, and I'm like, come on now. Come on, I thought it was going to be real wavy and uniform, but no. So since this one's already out, I'm going to show you what it looks like combed through. I'm thinking if you put some wig control spray in it, especially right here, you might could get the pattern to tighten back up. And once you get that pattern, comb through it one time or so to just make sure it's uniform. And then I wouldn't disturb it until it dries. It's very long, as you can see. And no, I'm not sure how many inches it is, but very long. This is the parting. I'm really liking the parting. Really, really good parting. Deep parting. Alright, let's do a well, I'm sitting here. There ain't gonna be no 360. I'm gonna get as many views as I can for everybody. Side view. Ooh, so I could get a rear. Try to get a rear for you. Rear view. thin. It's not a thick wig. I was hoping for more. I've seen a couple of reviews. I thought it would be better. But no, I'm not feeling this unit at all. The back view. I think this is like a one and done once you wear it. In my opinion. One and done. I doubt I will ever pull it back out of the package. Alright, this is the violet. What was it? The violet blue. Like I said, to me, I'm seriously looking at it, and it looks purple. I can see a lot of purple in it. But I guess the undertone of blue is coming out real strong on camera. But in person, I'm seeing purple. I'm looking right at it. It's purple. And I said a little bit of blue. This is like electric blue that's showing up on the screen. But it's not like that. Like I said, that parting, that's one of the best things about this unit. Deep, 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 deep part. Come on, part, show up. Deep, deep part, deep part. I don't think you would even need to pluck this. Put some powder, and you'll be good to go. Deep part. Alright, throw that unit to the side. We're going to the Mocha Blonde. I had high hopes for this too. And when I saw it, I was like, I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's see what we're rocking with. Alright, this is fresh. Still in the package. Oh, this is not too bad. Has the deep rooting. Not too bad. Stock card. Alright, the usual stuff inside. Alright, come on. All right. Trying to rush a little bit so I have somewhere to go. But I needed to get these in. It's been a good while. I've been slipping, but I've been working a lot of overtime. This is my first weekend off in 12 days, and I really needed a break. I wanted to do a wig review yesterday. I'm going to put the powder in the part now because it's kind of hard for me to do it on camera. I'm using the True Match L'Oreal powder. And what's the color? Can't tell. Oh, C8. There we go. Same like the other one. 2 combs in the front. Trying to really see if there's baby hairs here. I don't think so. I don't see any. You'd have to cut some. And you got the 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and this is the cap construction. Like I said, it's a thin wig. It's not very thick. There's no tabs on the side to bend. No. There's none. It's a rough hairline, so if the wind hit, you in trouble. So your best bet is to maybe gots to be glued down some baby hairs, because this is a long one where you would probably try to go out in the wind. Oh, ooh, all right. You know how I feel about my blonde. Alright, so yeah, what I'm saying, alright, I'm feeling this color. Like I said, the dark rooting is not black, it's like a dark brown, maybe a 2 or 4, something like that. And then it goes into this Mocha blonde. It's pretty. You see the high and low lights, and it's pretty much showing up true to color. Yeah, that I'm seeing, it's on the screen. I don't know, with them blue and purple joints, they always be, colors be coming up crazy. Alright. Oh, see what I mean about all this frizz? Wig control spray. Yes, I need to get some more. But you're going to have to knock this down. And wig control and maybe some hold, like something, a good soft hold spray. So it won't frizz back up right after you get started. I don't care for all this frizz. Alright, so let's try to get the back if I can. You see that? Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh, I put it like this. A black shirt will not be your friend wearing this shirt. Oh. Alright. So, I do like the color. I thought I was going to like it. In the package, it looked like, But, okay, with this makeup, nah, I wouldn't wear this. This would be more browns, oranges, smoky eye, maybe with a red lip. But purple, I have on purple. I have the Kat Von D lip color on. I can't think of the name. Aisha, I think it is. Night Moth on my lips from MAC. And I use pretty much Coastal Scents 252 palette and one of the Nubian palettes. I used the purple in there. I can't think which one it is. I don't have it on hand right now, but I used that. And I actually try to put some lashes on, people. I put the lashes on first. They're not perfect. I know they're not. But, you know, they don't look that bad. I use some simple ones. And I'm looking, I don't see the container. But I'm happy I actually got some more. Alright, that's my son coming in.